Morning and welcome to our fourth lesson in this topic on sequence and series. As the topic says, sequence and series. So we are through with sequence. In the last three lessons, we have been looking at sequences. And in the next two, we are going to be looking at series. The other name of series is progression. Series is just addition of the terms in a sequence. If you have these terms in this sequence, 1, 3, 5, 7, that's a sequence. Those are terms. You are putting a comma here for a sequence. But now for a series, we will be adding. So when you get the sum of the terms in a sequence, then that one is known as a progression or a series. So we will be looking at two types of progressions. That is arithmetic progression, which is simply known as AP, and the other one will be geometric progression, which is known as GP or geometric series. So let's start with with arithmetic progression. The good thing and the most important thing you should get here is the formula of getting the sum of any number of terms, n terms of a geometric progression. The formula is only one. The sum, we will symbolize sum with the S. Sum of n terms, Sn means sum of n terms, will be given by the formula n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. For this lesson, or for this part of the topic, I will not concern myself on how to get this formula. It can be derived. You can look at how it is derived in other areas, but our concern here is not how to derive it, but how to use it. You can learn how to derive it. It's a good way. It's a good mathematical way of deriving this, and you can see how in other areas it is done. But for us, we are not going to concentrate on that. We will concentrate on how to use it. So this is a good formula you should remember on how to get the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. For example, and before I go on with the example, you can also use this formula. Sn is equals to n over 2 a plus L, where L is the last term. Last term. That is in case you are given a projection or a series and you have also been given the last term here, you can apply this. So you can choose which one is easy for you to apply. So we will do this example using these two formulas, and then it will be on your side to use or to choose which one you are going to use and which one is easy to remember. So I want us to find the sum of 10 terms, S10, the sum of the first 10 terms in this series. I know it will be easy for you to add with a calculator 1, 2, 3 up to 10. But sometimes you are given more terms, like 20. It will be tedious. So these formulas will come in handy. Let's start by using the first one. Option 1 or method 1. Sn, so we are looking for S10. So it is equal to 10 over 2, which is n over 2. So our n is 10, because we are looking for the sum of 10 terms. N over 2, 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 1, because our a is 1, plus n minus 1, our n is 10, d is what? 3 minus 1, which is 2. There we go. So we simplify here, I get 5. Here I get 2 plus, open this bracket. You can first of all subtract. To 10 minus 1, you get 9. 9 times 2, you get 18. So 18 plus 2, you get 20. 20 times 5, you get 100. So the sum of the first 10 terms in this progression is 100. Method 2. Method 2 would require you first of all get the last term. The last term is the 10th term because you want the term number 10. So you will have to go back now and use the other formula, the one I taught you in lesson 2, of A plus n minus 1d, of getting the nth term. You remember that one? Such that you get term number 10. What will it be? Term number 10. Where n now will be 10. So it will be 1 plus 10. You put 10 minus 1 here, you get 9. 9 multiplied by d, which is 2. So this is 18 plus 1, which is 19. So your last term, which is the 10th term, is 19. You can even write it here, 19. So you're going to use now this other formula here. So we get S10 using the same. It's easy. So n is 10. So 10 over 2. A is the first term, which is 1, plus our last term, which is the 10th term now, is 19, as we have gotten here, 19. So you do that, you will get 5, multiplied by what? This is 19 plus 1, 20. The same thing, you get 100. So the formulas will lead to the same answer, but you can choose which one. Sometimes you are only given in a progression the first, second, and maybe the last. So you will have to use this formula, whichever the case. So it is good to learn both. It is good to know how to use both formulas. Practice on that, and you can also be told to get anything from the formula. You can be given the sum, you get n. You can be given the sum and n, you get a. You can be given everything else, you get d. So you should learn how to use both formulas, and by so doing, you can get anything that has been asked. And the best way to put a formula into your head is not to cram. It is to practice using that formula, and every time you are using it, write it down so that by practicing, you get to use it and it sticks into your head. It is easy to know it. So that is how you work out arithmetic progression. Thank you very much. Practice more and you'll become perfect. Have a nice day.